Hey everyone, this is Corey with BimmerTech, and today I want to talk to you about two apps that are now compatible with Apple CarPlay, Waze and Google Maps. If you do not have Apple CarPlay installed in your BMW, there's two ways that BimmerTech can offer it to you. A USB coding option, as well as a hardware retrofit. If you follow the link in the description, you can go to a website where you can type in your VIN and see what your car is compatible with. But with all that being said, let's go ahead and jump into the screen so I can show you guys these two apps, how they work, what they look like, and the kind of features that they have. So here we are in CarPlay, and as we can see, Waze and Google Maps are showing up. So let's start with Google Maps. This is just your standard navigation app, similar to the maps that is already in CarPlay. It can also be used to search for different businesses as well as other popular locations like restaurants or movie theaters. So as you can see, there's some suggestions here, or we could go in and type in our own, whatever we're looking for. So that's pretty cool. Now, Waze is the largest community-based GPS navigation app, and it can alert you and others to such things as accidents, alternate routes, road closures, and even police sightings. So you can search just like any other navigation app, but there's also a function where you can mark if you see a police officer on the side of the road, an accident, if you hit bad traffic, or if there's any type of road hazard, you can mark that down so that other users in the program can see. There you have it, guys. I hope you found this video informative and interesting. If you have any questions, go ahead and reach out to us. And thank you so much for watching.